The 3D mesh that you see here was created from one image that's shown here, and then a depth map, and then 3 simple modifiers. The modifiers are subdivision of a value of 8, displace, where you reference your depth map, and third is smooth. I actually use my own tool. It's called zForm, and it does exactly the same thing as what's done on the right, except it speeds up the workflow quite a bit. So instead of doing multiple clicks and typing in here, I can do everything in 3 simple steps. Now, in terms of the depth map, I actually create depth maps with my own tool. Another tool is called Depth Map Batch, and you have the option to generate depth maps for a directory of images, a video file, or a single file. So that's how I do it. You can also generate depth maps for free online if you upload one image at a time, or set up your own environment locally in something like CompUI. And let's just go through the process from the very beginning. I'll show you what I do. So I'm going to press A to select everything seen, and then delete. Then I'm going to open up the image that we were just looking at. So here's the original image. Now we need to find the depth map. So this is the depth map. And then I'm going to click Apply Depth Map. And there you go. There's the 3D mesh. Now I want to say real quick that the side and the back look terrible. So this is the side area here. And then the back area is completely hollow. So when working with these 3D mesh where it's created from a 2D image in a depth map, a lot of times they might look good from the front, but they don't look good from the back, and they don't look good from the side, unless you spend a lot of time just redoing the mesh. Just something to keep in mind. So let's start another one. I'm gonna delete it, and then open up another image. I thought it'd be fun to do Halloween this time, so I've got a bunch of Halloween images. Let's try this cat. Okay, now we need to open up the depth map, which is 16, so it's this one here. I'm going to click Apply Depth Map. Let me look on the side angle. Again, they're terrible on the side. So let me drop down the depth by a little bit down to 1 for the depth strength. All right, let's try another one. Okay, how about this bat pumpkin face here? All right, so let me find the depth map. That would be 17. Okay, it's this one. I'm going to click Apply Depth, and it looks pretty good. The only thing about this one, it doesn't have much depth on the actual face of the coin. So it's got depth around the coin, but not much on the face. All right, let me try another one. Okay, open up the image. Let's try this ghost. Okay, so then the depth map, I need to find 21. Would be this one. I'm going to click Apply Depth Map, and it looks bad. Like you can see from the side angle how much the pumpkin is extending out. I'm going to drop the depth strength down to 0.75, and I don't like this one. All right, let's try one more. I'm going to delete this one, then open up another one, and let's try this bat. Okay, let's find the depth map. That would be 20. This one, click Apply Depth. I like this one. The only thing is the depth is a little too much, so I'm going to go down on the depth strength to maybe 0.7, and it's a little bit flatter. I think that looks good. Actually, I'm going to increase the subdivision to 8, and it looks better. All right, well, that's all I got.